I guess you could call this the sequel, because it's only been 2 weeks since we were here last.
It's actually bloody hot here.
It is hot. I reckon. Oh, that's a copyright infringement right there, if anyone's heard one.
Ah, it's Cozy, it's my brother.
Anyway, probably got an hour left in the trip. Go set up, hit a few dams, and later tonight we'll do what we did last time and run the river, but we'll try not to break the tie rod in the buggy. But if we do, we are prepared this time, so we're not going home early.
I have a spare.
We're gonna bang some balls this time, I'll tell you. I got a feeling this ep's gonna be action-packed, to say the least. Just stay tuned, get comfy, and let's go. Righto, well, we're all set up now. We're just waiting on young Jackson to pull his finger out and get here so we can go. Jackson's worked on this property for the last 7 years, so he knows it like the back of his hand. He's just got no time management skills at all. So while we wait for Jackson to get here, Luke's going to give you a rundown on the buggy so you know what it's all about. Am I? Alright, we got Harry the Honda. Got it from Top 2 Motorsports in Warwick last year, I think. First thing I did was take it straight to Jason at JT's Custom Welding and get the full kit out. With it's got a 40 or 50 litre water tank, I think. Comes out here, all inbuilt underneath the tray. Toolboxes with tyre puncher kit, jack, and rope in case you ever break a tie rod. And then I took it to On Track Electrical at Ormo there, and he did all the wiring, like in the tray, in the cab. Neat job. I just wanted it all tucked away so dogs wouldn't chew it, not that they ever have chewed anything. So I got the winch here that I've actually disconnected because it was draining a little bit of battery when I was flying out to work, and when I come home I wouldn't be able to start the buggy. And it's also got a Red Arc smart switch with a spare battery as well, so this one by law can't go flat. When it gets to a certain volt, it'll cut out and start using the spare battery. And then if you jump under here, I got those springs custom made just with the weight of the tray. The stock springs weren't cutting it, it was sagging in the arse, so I got a bloke down south, I can't remember his name, but he actually made the spring to suit the weight of the tray, so it sits level now. So, and then these Canadian mongrels too, I'm in love with them. I tried using out my stock ones for about 6 months and they were pretty much all plugs, and I haven't, touch wood, had one flat with these since I've been running them from Aussie Power Sports too, so recommend. My most favourite part of the buggy is of course the number plate. If you see me on the highway, just give us a and would never, I know Johnny always tell me get a winch. I never had a winch until we needed it one day, and I would not go anywhere else without a winch. Let's go get some boars. Let's go get some boars. Get it. Boy, he's a good guy, dude. Get it. Get it. Here, you go get first time. Well, Jackson might not have any time management skills, but he sure knows how to put us onto pigs. Took a whole 10 minutes. He was straight onto it, he knew where they were. Had a bit of breeze blowing our way and yeah, came up with the goods finally. See if we can get another one. Oh yeah, there he is. Oh yeah. Let Grizzy out! Get over here, Grizzy! Grab you. what you call a smoke stick. And now you can use that as a torch. If you don't have a torch, you can throw it. He's not scared, see? I thought he was going to be scared, but he's not scared.
Keeps the dingoes away, you know.
Yeah, exactly right. Keeps them bloody wild dogs away.